At the time when they ask question for know whether true election will be this year, country people then the mandate for municipal councillors when Kunkumado Adam give them bonus again as they go finish with number 1 day for number 11 month. But Social Democratic Front they already start enter for dance with where they call and say this election for the primary elections to select who they go be their candidate for the party for this way they call and say this municipal and elect this legislative for be deputy them country people them. That's what they happen when Mago don't take place to that side for Douala Premier. Yes, Douala Premier where they saw the list for the other side when and Jack why people them this talk say this the one way Joshua OC they don't organize them for them now masquerade country people then talk to about this chapter say this for Douala 5. This man Jean-Michel Ninche he don't beat all the opponent them for day. Yes, Jean-Michel Ninche they come first for that side the country people will talk about them. He said this news will talk to about chapter for accident then they will tell now about gas oil with the wrong catch and for be panda young deal with Commissaire Jean-Marie Ngono. Then we tell now too about New Bell order sheet and peace for New Bell prison they come out now for marché des oignons for this country people them. We talk to about Idriss Seydou Mbombo Njoya we don't resign as first vice president for Feka Food Day country people them Union NAC Tone 2-0 then chapter for sports to Orton Godina inside this matter. Country people are doing a big salute. This one na Pidgin TV News, Equinox Television with Mieze. Ekuleku Ashose Torigo. Una come good. Una come good and una stop fine country people they make us start with same story for today. Same story for today. Now only person where the sell fowl fit sabi feather for which bet. Now only person where the sell fowl fit sabi feather for which bet. Who give you that one? Emmanuel Taxi man for Elf Village the country people. Them supporting come from you will talk about them say les jumeaux chana them for the thank you na plenty for us set for project for Lompanga. When not to for una talk with country people them ask them happen for Vuri Bridge this night. Na so woman with the Toyota Corolla Sang we carry picking and the whole family they come out to go back for Bonaperi. They miss road now. Jams suited broke some poto electric for corner bridge day. Then the motor tumbled to all the four tires be there for on top motor country put them there for wonderful matter. So all them now they carry them go down for hospital for lacking Tinide country put them another accident happen for 1 point. This morning time when Ngongoro and this semi-remorque jam for the block road to so they cause traffic jam wonderful one for the country people them na popo hilele. This other accident too, Ngongoro we carry yes Ngongoro na trailer he carry container for that side of the village. He miss for jam some moto so they container where one side he fall. Chakara na 2 taxi them for the country people them. This weekend it be happen na for front speaker so for that side for village unasian. I say country people them look the accident. This accident too wonderful matter. Una see what happen. Rainfall na 2 accident say crankshaft cut. Crankshaft with the column of French see when na wait see this so na cardam. He cut for the way not enough happen. This Ngongoro so he miss for jams or motor we carry container 40 pieds 40 feet container country put them. As he carry the container so he miss for jam now look at see what will happen. He instead fall now way for one side fall on top 2 taxi they will be park for corner road. As if put a bit inside now for yesterday the same like that kind of be happen for Marché Central the other time we can go away container fall kill people them 4 people inside taxi so country put them. Wonderful kind of matters when here they talk about them is issue them. Kind institution can happen for that side for place where they happen now for village day. So we talk about this other one. Come up village come for New Bell the country people them and also they look now for Paris and all France they enjoy PD news for that certain kuna plenty for New Bell. What happen for New Bell? Nandoti all that shit, all that motor, all that piece where they come out for inside prison the New Bell. So population for quarter the suffer pass mark, especially the one where they tomb for marché des oignons for this country for this. I say all this water will come out from New Bell prison. Piece of shit to outing. They say for septic, that means a toilet for prison. It don't flop. Say it don't flop. Flop, so now it come all na for outside. Then plus one put the can piece on top of the Adam day. Any man is take on a day, me name go be na sorrow. Yes, a name go be na sorrow for the country. And as we get to the talk about them, anyosi they sell on for day. Jama vegetable can get in the sell for day. Except garlics. All this water should come so that they won't take and say wash consumer the day for sell for people. Wonderful matter. Everyone so for you take some to put them for back. Please look up this picking them. This woman so it sell matango, it sell benyariko, it sell for the can get in for the outside the water because they wash the bucket in our wait. As people they complain about and say they is so far for other dirty water and dirty shit where they so they come out for place where they call them for they say we to contribute them where they call them say they so now. Come off a place where they call them for the country people them see this now prison for New Bell Day. Yes, New Bell prison. They all this team then they come out to this place the Chakra place them wanna get them and say this matter and the issue them for this so can't wait them can't station was not get down so they talk about of this chapter then so country people them look which way they really take place inside this age for us set for New Bell Day. We come on New Bell now talk about see this one chapter for gas. Yes, come on, you better talk about gas. Look at Menuzili, they all can get in them. They for this so country people them we water the come now for he said this issue so for spoiler for the so. Now we talk about the gas. Now the gas they come up so yes this chapter for gas which happen now police and come now for Bepanda young the opposite that Catholic Church say essential Luanga. Now they ask for the get them now Commissaire Jean-Marie Ngono. Say this now 1 ton, that means 1,000 liters them for gas well. Yes, you don't make and put it soft over smell. Enter for the spoil water, spoil all gutter hold them, spoil water for put them with a well, spoil all if they put it in 6 for night, they need fit for sleep at all for this issue. Where to contact place now somehow we get some local corner backside boulangerie for day. Now we bring other things from this part of 5 years now, we need a year at all. Look at water for you. All thing, you see, water for you, even the well, all thing for you, so wonderful station, so it is spoiling for you. So, Commissaire Jean-Marie Ngono, they bring motor for that side for, please, the call and say, of Miss Paul, can't carry all the gas, well, now go with time for place with the call and for this, now for commissariat, I mean, for Mary Douala Senkian, for Mafo, for this, so if person will get a no can identify, he said, the way they use them for put up inside caterpillar, then made it in them, done the way it's supposed for they so contribute all this one of makes it people they suffer plenty for inside Cameroon, especially for Douala, for place with the call and say, be panda young quarter for them. Now, come for be panda with one carry and go time for Bonamusa Didi for Mary Douala 5e. Bonamusa Didi, na for Carrefour just land. Ladies, I said, tackle them for IPD Mukaisedi Joseph. And I woman or in 2 police Tamamburian. Since that time to take a reason now, the calculate the far side to then the fall on top. They say what police to away police for upside. Police to away police for upside. And I don't want to talk for the garden the payment show. Yes, contribute wonderful matter. We will not see master twins. The woman I be sleeping inside the house. When they can't beat it, drag away, they almost naked. They say delegate regional suite national. Say so go remove. Now inside and make send police. They can move car them for another police one side. Now master this Mukai City Joseph. That wanna see with uniform. So then trade them all for us with their car them. They chapter say they no get for stay for inside house. But they say they get paper away, they get book away. Now delegate regional delegate for domain. Don't get for them say that their house they so country people there. So and so be so this issue they look up. Beginning the house now the chop now their pinga. One African thing because yeah, but don't take them for some level for the city for some level for they contribute. They wanna feel understand. Eight way it really they take place with this palaver them. So 10 chapter them for things that we can't happen for them. I see the woman explain how they even come and never give clothes make you wear the clothes for his skin self country people them. Tackle them all thing they try and say up plus draws them. Wonderful kind matter them. So for they contribute talk now say so they don't tell them by the way say as they go yes they did the whole weekend say as they go back for creed the play they walk the one come back they meet up that kako now inside camion for Jamie. You don't get an up to inside camion go for Jamie they so contribute. So anyhow they wait for see wait way they take place with the inside this matter. Now talk about chapter for SDF remember for $5 talk say for SDF the Jean-Michel Ninche don't do again slap all people in for that say they no see this so a man he don't bole for you now this. For chapter for SDF, we talk now, he said the matter, so image them for SDF, we shall see if it the come for the, come for SDF now after, but if we come for SDF small now, so contribute, they will talk about this palaver for election then. Yes, we'll take image for that anniversary for SDF, therefore down, so you know, so I beg you, thank you plenty, thank you, talk about them for you, happy 23rd anniversary. Now, after this one, I see me the end now for election, and election, they stand up for base, so contribute for base how for base for city so they must do ultimate the vote. So when I say for Douala Saint-Kem now, Jean-Michel Ninchu don't win for that side day, win plenty. Second now they come for their own level to contribute anywhere anyhow. Then they come for they talk about them cities so put them like Kendeng, came back then they come for they take second and then the third now come for the way they talk about them cities so now all this kind of matter them Tongo for the way beat the own brother safe they call it for the cities so now a little bit low to country people them. Yes, so they can happen to plenty thing they with Madam Tamak now they take over that said for preliminaries for primary election for SDF we from the talk say all thing go now from base country people them. Now we'll talk about palaver for faker food. Yes, this one now file we this to talk about so this will faker food now we say Mbombon you don't resign for the this as first vice president for faker food in IDs. Chapter for election day. I said trouble for Fekafu make us Thursday, said Mbonja be talk serious na lie, no man no only them. They must read the thing that's happen. But what happen now, Saturday evening time, he write book. Write book say so, she démissionné. He said don't step down, contribute him. Say so over Marco today. People do not get good fashion for that Feka food. So no one made a dirty name for Cameroon and for outside Cameroon for sketch chapter for elections so contribute them. Wonderful kind of for them must not get time when they talk about them for all this kind of issue them. Can't win I this say do Mbonja Tona say so. As things they continue for that level so enough fit for BD again. He go do all things to that, making name they no dirty him as first vice president for Feka food they beg anyhow he go enter the country where they talk about some money, Marlene and Vutu don't give money side by side for this we say give to for say do Mbonja and I to say okay on move my name for that thing I no want for BD again so country people them about that one so talk see what happened so Friday yes John beginning day and gendarme they don't enter plenty for Feka food day to take all office and for the country people they want to see now Friday this rainfall the whole morning time stay once you come and then come now help them enter then pick up them from this week and see this groupement de gendarmerie for Yaoundé day and as they come for the country people and see happen now, when they can't take over now, they come plenty. Their colonel to come for the lieutenant colonel now. Enter do it for they say John beginning they them. They come for the side to contribute them. Wonderful kind of institutions and get and so all the group and way they so people then for saving the money they don't put them for that side the same down. We no get gone. Now, so it can happen now for yes, for country people them. So John beginning the camps they hold their meeting for this in them with Antoine Depadou Esomba Yenga them for this so can we come they happen now with David Maibi them all the other on the end of the take Feka food create their own office and a bureau them for they so country people wonderful kind of matter we can say committee decrease for place so they can say Feka food for this so inside this issue them country people in the situation that and the power that way things they come they take the kind of way it can so for second chapter for Feka food so we continue to talk about football talk now so with Union Tambalong yes Union beat Tonnerre 2-0 for this stadium now yesterday Sunday night this I said Union Anthony. You know, the other day, Coton beat Tonnerre 4-0. Then, asked to give Union 4-0. Then they say 2-4-0 them. They begin to play for the Pana Stadium. As they play so, Tonnerre tried the way he tried. Nothing for the. Union now struggle for them for do all things so that made the players now they try to score even one goal. But they struggle now play the way they play now for this level so contribute them as when I get time so he can't go miss the first goal. Now the second goal they come now so Union the second goal now is enter one time for inside goal for this country people them first goal for Union the second one to come after for that side to us when I get time for all this situation and the issue that for this so country people them they talk about time for this chapter them second match to this people they call and in Jalakwan, they mean last week they win this Jalakan win Douala Athletic Club for the so country people. Then win them now for the how many 1-0 for this country people. Then so the station 8 become the happen for stadium for the Panda unification. Now go for Yaoundé. Now cannot beat New Star 2-1 for this one. Arsenal for Yaoundé that too. New Star na the first score for penalty. Now see as New Star that penalty go. Now they first score for penalty this country put them. Score pass Max Suti. Now like that penalty that too. Oh for that side. Penalty so who are we the referee put down. Say it must be a penalty for them. Yes. So now as can for this one, which country plays now, they kick them, they score. Kick them then they score them for the net that. They go enter. They down. Yes. Goalkeeper go for right. Ballon go for left. Now, but you don't waste time. You don't waste time at all. Women and put them pam pam inside. Women and put them pam pam inside. Then number 2 go come to now penalty way. Now women go kick free kick. After when come to the order, women then 2 for this so the issue for this country people. Women again and women again for this matter the muna so. And talk about and then put free kick and slap them tin last go. They bring her up against so they can cause penalty for the they can cause penalty for this country people. Them see what will happen. So this issue another coup from come now for the penalty come out. Then the point send a point ball for 18-meter box. Women come now slap up inside for this country. Puis ensuite contemplate for this issue and the situation now for them. Now see happen. As we finish for this for today, so country put them plenty to read for now. For tomorrow, this number una so this number. Now see, make una call. We will see una beep. We will see una talk no answer sense story. If no answer na sense story for the number, una send for text message. Una need for call me talk no answer sense story. Send for text message with una name under. Then una fit call na for tell me say, Oga talk something they will place. Can go film. We go film so for na this. You know, Sabega, thank you plenty. So various day for technical side day. Inosa Bega Doctor Director for we. Ginny Edmond for Abakwa. Derek Jato for Boya. Ogalai for Ketan Kumba. Yes. Davidson Maimo day for Victoria, the country to them. As we talk about them, Titan Kuna plenty. Claire make you face green. Claire make you face Claire for the side country people them. We meet up on a betcha for na see back. Una sabi say we be for front. Bye bye.